I noticed many businesses that run their website with this type of design. See this website. They only have a landing page. They're running website with WordPress, right? CMS, and they've been running the website over 8 months, a year. However, no changes on the website, as you can see. At a shitty design. I wouldn't say this is a design. This is just some images, as you can see, nothing else. So they're obviously paying domain hosting service provider to keep the website live, and they're also expecting some organic traffic from Google, and people are searching for the tree service in their area. But dude, this is not possible unless you organize your website, do SEO optimization. Structuring website is really, really important, right? It's not just a website, it's your storefront. Like, it's opens 24/7, anytime, anywhere from people can see it, who you are, what you do, and where you provide services. And people even can book a call, book a meeting, request a form for a service, right? Request a quote for a service. So if you do not optimize, do not organize your website, that it's not going to be possible to bring whether traffic or conversion from the website. You will just lose money to keep the website live. So this business, Arbor Tree Services, offering tree service, but they are getting nothing from their website, organic Google search. If I show you their monthly traffic since they've been running the website over 8 months, their organic monthly traffic is 0. And I hope I don't have to explain why the website is not getting organic traffic. If somehow, if they get traffic, I mean clicks, I believe from my experience, I can say they will not get conversion. There's nothing to collect leads. So you have to think as a customer to create conversion from the website. Think as a customer, not always think as a seller. So understand the pain point, give value at the top, right? Your hero section and header section people see first when they enter the website. So if this see something like this, I don't think that people would go to call you, message you. So you have to make it attractive. UI, UX, really important. So for this website, quickly, just to give example of this business owner, I created their landing page hero section. I will do all the stuff one by one, but let me show you something. The landing page hero section. This is what, see how much difference between these two hero section. They don't have a header section here. This is, I don't call the header section. Should be everything, who you are, what you do, everything. So look at this website, header section. They have logo, home. This is the landing page, services, the services they offer, all the services, right? There are a bunch of services this business offering. So all of them should have a separate page by targeting the service, right? People are constantly searching for this service. So this also should have separate page, but this business doing nothing. Our services, if I open it, see how it looks like. This is how, but it's not going to collect anyways, as I showed already. So then about contact, even if you have more things like portfolio section, gallery section that you can add into the menu, right? And if you scroll down, the header will be sticky, right? This scroll down, header is sticky, right? Nothing else. So now their brand name, Arbor Tree Service, right? They understand who you are. For this business, they didn't add it. I don't understand who you are by watching the landing page, the first impression, right? So Arbor Tree Service and the brief description. Although I added as dummy content. So you add a brief description about your company and then a call to action button like call now. If someone clicks that link, click on the button, it will automatically go to the dial pad and people can call. If someone would like to do, request a code, then here's something that can do. Fill up a form like they can name, add email, address, and then their service they would like to book, right? And date they would like to book it, right? So, and then you send a personalized message like this that I'd like to book a tree service in that area. Are you available? Something, whatever. And then you request a code, right? So this is something interesting and also, makes sense. This is something makes sense because in the first impression, I'm giving all the information about me, and instantly also I'm giving you a request, a form code, right? You can send a form to contact me, right? This type of form. And later I'll talk about other sections because I'm redesigning this website completely, the landing page. So I'm gonna design other section as well. So I just wanted to share how the hero section should be for any business. So I hope anyone in the same industry, free service, guys understand how the hero section should be. Even if you don't like the form here, like you can place it somewhere else. And if I show you the mobile view of the website, so let me show you the mobile view. This is responsive as well for tablet, also for mobile. Nothing is irresponsive. So everything is responsive for the website. As you can see, Arbor tree service, even the header menu, right? They can see everything. Close it, logo, and then a brief on the hero section. They can get all the idea they need, who you are, what you do, and where you do, right? So this is something I talk and I say responsive web design, you are better UI UX. So if you want to create conversion from your website, then this is something that makes sense and create conversion. I've been doing this for years, and I believe anyone in any industry can apply that strategy, right? For hero section, who you are, what you do, and where you do. Answer these three questions, give some value, like at the very fast, right? Even you can add some reviews, right? Here as a trust factor, like Trustpilot, Google reviews, just rating. So this is makes sense when you do something like that for the website. But this is something that doesn't make any sense. You just added the website, right? Some images, nothing else. So I hope this video will be helpful for someone who is looking to organize their website in tree service. Thank you very much for watching.